Do you want to be able to use your Apple gift card on Roblox? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So actually what you're going to do firstly is to close your Roblox app, and instead you're going to open up your app store. So go into your app store and then come to your homepage right here. If you're not on your homepage, click on today in the bottom left corner and you should now be taken here. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page similar to this. Click on your profile in the top right corner. As you can see, there's like a blue profile symbol in the top right corner, so just click on it, because then you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, you're now going to click where it says redeem gift card or code, so click right here. Just going to load, and as you can see in here, you will be able to redeem your Apple gift card, which is very good. You can either use your camera to scan it if you have it physically nearby you, or you can also click where it says enter code manually. So just enter your code in here and then click on redeem. So if the code actually is working, everything is okay, and then you will be able to actually get now on your App Store balance, you will be able to get that amount that you had on your Apple gift card, and you can now use it on your apps. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go back into your Roblox app once again, and then come to this page right here. For example, it depends on what you want to be able to redeem it on, of course, but for example, this page, now you can select what you want to be able to get, and when you do select it, you will be able to view that you actually now have on your App Store balance. You will be able to find your Apple gift card balance on there now, and basically that is exactly how to use it.